I know I didn't want to just throw in some basic builder grade toilet and call it done. I wanted something that actually felt different and something I've heard a lot of good things about. And I had a feeling once I installed one of these, I probably would never want to go back. So I decided to try a smart toilet. This one is the HOROW T38P, and honestly this thing ended up being way cooler than I expected. At first I figured the installation would probably be complicated because these are electronics and more features are involved, but surprisingly it really wasn't much different than installing a normal toilet. There are a few extra things to hook up compared to a standard setup, but overall the process was pretty straightforward. One thing I thought was really nice is it actually came with everything needed to install it. It even came with a toilet flange, which I didn't end up using because mine was already set up differently, but it was nice knowing they included pretty much everything from start to finish. Now obviously the whole point of getting something like this wasn't just for the cool looks. This thing has automatic opening and closing heated seating, multiple wash modes, adjustable temperatures, and honestly more features than I ever expected. One thing that caught my attention was the foam shield feature. Basically it creates a layer inside the bowl that helps reduce splash and helps keep everything fresher. It's one of those things that sounds pretty gimmicky until you actually see it work. Another feature I ended up liking more than I expected was the built-in wash system. Everything uses freshly heated water, and there are a few different modes depending on what you want. And before someone says it in the comments, yeah, I know some people think smart toilets are weird until they actually try one. And then all of a sudden you start understanding why people spend money on these. Another thing I liked was how clean the overall design looks. There's no bulky tanks hanging off the back, and it really fit well with the modern look I was trying to create in this bathroom. It also opens up automatically when I walk up to it, which honestly fits perfectly with everything else in this room already being tied to motion sensors and accent lighting. At this point, the bathroom stopped feeling like a normal bathroom and started feeling like one of those spaces you'd really see in a nice hotel. Which still sounds ridiculous to say about a toilet, but after building this whole thing from the ground up, putting this much work into every single detail, I figured I might as well fully commit. And honestly, I had a feeling that I wouldn't want to go back after installing one of these, and I think I was right.